Hello, say hi, Eli. Today I am going to show you how to add windshield wiper fluid. So what you want to do is look for the button that opens the hood, which is that. Bam, so that's open. So then you're going to look for the little part under your hood that allows you to open. So it's either a latch. Mine is like right here on the side, so I have to move that way. Yours might be a button that you push upward. So I'm gonna push it. Lift it up. Lift your thing all the way up, and you should have this stick here.
Whoa.
Which you can then attach to this hole up here. So that holds your hood up, right? That's amazing?
Yeah.
Don't break it.
Huh?
Don't break it.
So then you're gonna look for this thing. And in the other car, it's gonna be blue, a blue top. Whoa, we got dark all of a sudden. So in this car, the top is blue, and if you don't have a funnel, you just wanna pour the liquid right into that clear tube thingy. If you do have a funnel, it's pretty easy. You just stick the funnel right there, and it's super easy. You can get one really cheap. So it's filled up, close it up, and you're good to go. You did it.